Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to retrieve or reset your WordPress password directly from cPanel. If you've ever forgotten your login credentials and email recovery isn't working, these steps give you a secure way to regain access. First, let's talk about this scenario. Sometimes you can't log into WordPress because you forgot your password, and traditional recovery options are blocked. That's where cPanel comes in, letting you manage your WordPress credentials safely and efficiently. Start by logging into the cPanel account associated with your WordPress site. Make sure you have the correct cPanel credentials. To proceed, for cPanel versions 120 and above, you can use the WP Toolkit. This tool lists all WordPress installations and shows the admin usernames and passwords, making it simple to log in directly to your WordPress dashboard. If your cPanel version is below 120, you'll need to use the WordPress Manager by Softaculous. This lets you log into WordPress without a password, but for privacy reasons, it doesn't display the actual password. In older versions, if you need to reset a password, select the relevant username, create a new secure password, and save the changes. This ensures you can access your WordPress site immediately. Using these built-in cPanel tools is not only fast, but also secure. They allow website owners and administrators to manage multiple WordPress sites effectively, even when login credentials are forgotten or unavailable. And that's it. A simple, step-by-step way to get or reset your WordPress password using cPanel. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials.